There is a prerequisite for each subject. Suppose if we this 15 subject, then again a prerequisite of 15 subject, it will become 30 subject. So we will not reach to the Hadoop only. Getting the point. So what I do usually, I cover that prerequisite at the time of explaining, like suppose example of Spark. Say example of Spark. Now Spark is also programming language. Other programming also there are there. But what is the difference between Spark and other programming language? So I just show the difference. So Spark is actually enterprise programming language. Enterprise programming language is different. It covers in one command will cover all these four, five, six things in one command. Now, in general programming language, what happens? Separately you need to write for this, separately you need to write for this, separately you need to write for this. Now again, above start, Scala is coming. Scala is more powerful than Spark. Like that. So I will cover pretty quickly. That then still we learn. Then version 4 will come.
Some other thing will be there.
Then again we need to learn. So usually I have made one formula. You know, technology plus benefit is equal to job. If you forget this formula, whole life you will be learning. Because technology for benefit means you need to learn something which I can get benefit in future. Then you will get a job. Otherwise, what will happen, Otherwise, take example technology and plus job benefit. That is also right. But if you do, it will be minus. Because every time you need to learn, it will become reverse. Instead of job, means it will be like learning. Every time you need to learn. Because every time there will be changes coming up. So don't worry about the prerequisite. The prerequisite definitely will come. And now we need to be ready because 5G will come now. Otherwise, 5G will come, then it will change everything. And job scope also will get changed. Job scope also will get changed. How job scope is going to change? Already you see America, Europe, they are working open jobs are there now. In America and Europe now, there are jobs. On they write on website also, and even they put outside their door also. Anybody can enter and just start to work. Anybody can enter and say, okay, I can do this work. Oh, you can do this work, come. And there is already the scenario of salaries per hour salary is also there. Scenario is different. Per hour salary is also. Going to come to know is a real or a duplicate. Then in 1 hour, they will say, oh, you are not up to our mark, please you leave. Take your 1 hour salary and leave. Got it? So open jobs. So in 5G, the same euro will repeat for Asia. Because they don't have to problem. There is no problem. They just call us directly. Oh, where Rajkumar? Where is Rajkumar? They'll say, where is Dipti? Yeah. Huh? They'll call directly in this way. So this is good questions. Any question?
How many months will be covered?
Very nice question. Very nice. Actually, how many like duration or what will be the duration? Actually, you must be with me. Then you will cover fast. Because you see, there are other people they are teaching only 4 subjects.
I don't want to be that flexible.
Yeah, they are just doing 4 subjects. So for 4 subjects, 30 hours is I think enough. So they are doing in 1 month also, and they are saying, okay, yours is over now, you can go. But here is their case is different. It's 15 subjects. So you must be with me. Whenever you come, you must be take out 2 hour time with me. if you take out 2 hour time with me, now that will be more helpful. Because 1 hour time, what's happened? Suppose 1 hour I done it, and suppose I want to make it second hour. Now, to make connectivity of this topic of 1 hour, again I need to take time. So, like suppose 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour, the content, the course content will over only of 1.5 hour in 3 hours. But continuous, if you sit with me 3 hours continuous, then the course content of 10 hours will complete. Continuously, if you are sitting with me 3 hours continuously, then 10 hours course content will complete. If you are sitting one hour with break, then only 1.5 hour course content will get complete. So when you are coming, you must make like 2 hours. I must give here. In this way.
How many months it will?
Oh, it will like not month. Actually, we start with 30 hours. The actual 30 hours, but we go with 40, 60, or till 60 hours we go. So 60 hours is like 2 months, 3 months in this way. If suppose if you give more time now, like instead of 2 hours, if you give me 3 hours, then it will be more fast. Because 3 hours is equivalent to 10 hours. 2 hours is equivalent to 5 hours. If you are giving 2 hours continuously, then it is equivalent to 5 hours. Then 3 hours is 10 hours. So we will complete fast. Then again, there is one more scenario. I just forget it. That's why I ask candidate to put me questions. Because if you put me questions, then I will try to understand. I will try to say exact industry scenario. Now, industry scenario technically is different now. Why? Have you heard about the word hybrid? Hybrid? Hmm? You heard? I think you heard hybrid. So hybrid is actually what you know. Like nowadays, there is a cloud. Before it was only premises. Before it was whatever we have talked actually, whatever we have talked, technically, functionally, that was only for premises. But right now the scenario is different. Right now the same system, whatever we are using in premises, is available in cloud. Then again, these both systems are available separately in cloud somewhere else, who is managing both. That is called hybrid. So three systems are running at the same time for one worker. For one work, three systems are running at the same time. So now we need to understand our this Hadoop in this scenario. Is going to remain. It's like last maybe like 100 years is going to remain because it has business benefits. Because something happens on premises anytime, so the business owner don't have to worry that this business got stopped. This business will be running somewhere else. Like if you know about the cloud, you will get surprised. Now cloud is what Google. If you know about the Google, you will get surprised. Google, whatever doing in the world, where is the office? Real office is in the island of Iceland.
They have the servers and the cloud that have stored all the data.
Iceland, and that to island. Inside Iceland also in island. Because what you get is safe. No human is there. They have built all the food, everything for their employees, and they have kept their employees there.
The same way Amazon is planning in the
Ah,
other planet.
where?
Same way
Amazon
is
planning in
other
planet.
So they started an organization called Blue Origin. So we are doing experiments on artificial.
Other planets, so that his business will be safe. So this scenario is going to remain. So now with this thing we need to check with this scenario. what is this scenario, how it works in this way. Or any questions? Put me questions, any questions, I mean, I become happy when somebody put questions. Yeah.
Coming from the mainframe background, I can portray what I have done, and I can go for a job. That's not a big deal.
Yeah.
I can do that.
Yes, you can do already mainframe, already know. What I told you